Mrs. Reinfelder, did you hear?
What?
About the lander.
Yes! Oh my gosh, that was so exciting last week!
Hey, I wonder how many of those things are actually on Mars.
Ooh.
Let's go look it up.
All right. So how many rovers are on Mars depends on who you ask and how you categorize a rover. Now, the Russians are really the first in space for everything. They were the first people to orbit the Earth, orbit the Moon, and not surprisingly, they were the first ones to try to land what they called a rover on Mars. And that was Mars 2, and they put it up in 1971, which was like 50 years ago. It was pretty amazing, but it crashed, and so that didn't really work out. They also sent up the Mars 3 in 1971, and it actually landed, but it could only communicate for 20 seconds, and it only sent half a picture, so it didn't do all the things that they were hoping for.
What about Mars 1?
Oh, Mars 1 was just an orbiter. That's a good question.
In 1997, NASA sent up America's first rover called Sojourner, which landed with its buddy lander platform called Pathfinder. They only expected this guy to work for 7 days. I almost got that backwards. They only expected it to work for 7 days, but it ended up lasting 85 whole days. And Sojourner and Pathfinder together sent back over 16,000 images on Mars, which is like the first time we ever got photographs of another planet. We would like you guys to check out the first video, which is a computer-generated video of what Pathfinder and Sojourner looked like when they landed, how they got them there with the parachute and the heat shield. Of course, it's computer-generated because there was no one on Mars to take photos of it, because we haven't gotten anyone on Mars yet. And then the second video is an interactive video of all of the photos that it took stitched together, so you could actually look around on Mars and look up and see the sky and look down and see Pathfinder and what Mars looks like from where they landed.
Cool.